Hi, I'm Tim Tang, President of Maxpedition, and we're here at ShotShow 2020 at the Maxpedition booth. And here we're going to show you some of the new products we have for the new year. Late last year, we came out with the Prepared Citizen series. So basically, that's a backpack designed to look like the traditional American-style book bag. Here you can see a couple examples. We initially came out with a classic version, the Prepared Citizen Classic, and this is actually the Prepared Citizen Classic 2.0. So for ShotShow, we made two limited edition colors. So we have the dark gray with the dark blue. We have the royal blue with the dark blue. And these are limited editions of 199 pieces that we did for the show. We also came out with a deluxe model. So a lot of our customers had feedback saying they wanted a little bit more capacity and the ability to hold some water bottles. So here you can see we added an entire middle compartment for added volume, and also water bottles on each side. And the water bottles are done in the same way we did our AGR expandable bottle holder style, where you have the zipper going down the middle. Over here you can see a few prototypes. So these backpacks are actually currently in production, so not shipping yet. They'll be ready in about early May. We have the TT3, which is this larger one, 26 liters, and the TT5, which is a smaller one, 22 liters. And so Maxpedition, we do tactical backpacks, we do stuff for urban like this. We decided for this group of products to do something in the more of the woodsman and bushcraft type of look. So traditionally, those backpacks have a top lid. So we created this extra pocket here to mimic that top lidded look. What this actually does is there's two ways to access the main compartment: the traditional top open U-shaped zipper, but also when you unclip this, there's a full-length zipper that goes down the middle. And we can go into that a little bit, details a little bit later. Lastly, to round out, and this is kind of a surprisingly popular backpack for ShotShow. This is just our utility tote. So not really designed for CCW or not any tactical functionality, but just purely a practical product. Great for laundry or shopping or when you're traveling. And it's some extra volume for stuff you find or stuff you buy. And we are calling it the roly-poly folding tote because the roly-poly is one of our best-selling and traditional products from the Legacy line. So this tote actually folds up to a nice little compact package like this. So these are our new backpacks for ShotShow 2020, and as we release these, there'll be more information. Please visit us on maxpedition.com for the latest. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of some of our design processes, or sort of the philosophy of why things happen the way they are and how things evolved. This is my 17th ShotShow, and we introduced Maxpedition in 2003, and that started with what is known as the Legacy line. So it's a line of products that is covered with MOLLE on the outside, and the reason that happened is because in 2003, that was just a few years after the MOLLE system was invented. So naturally, with all the military products that we were doing, it was natural that all of our products had that MOLLE system all over it. And our products evolved a lot based on user feedback. So, a lot of people used our products and told us how to improve it. And over the next, between, I would say, 2003 and 2013, over that decade, we slowly evolved our products to be more and more in tune with what our customers wanted. So in 2014, Maxpedition introduced our AGR line. And what we tried to do with AGR was we looked back at all the things that worked with the Legacy line, and we decided, let's try some new materials and construction techniques. So we came out with the AGR line that had the laser cut composite material on the outside that replaced the MOLLE, and a lot of new materials that we tried for that line. And in 2016, we came out with a purely discrete line called the Entity line. And with that line, we used some different fabrics. We actually used some blended fabrics that blended polyester and nylon to create that mottled look. It looks grayish in the pictures, but actually it's actually a black and white sort of interwoven type of fabric. So that brings us to 2020. So this is our lineup for 2020. And basically this is a culmination of everything that happened before it. So we tried the new materials over the past 4 years, and you can see that we've come all the way full circle. We've gone back to 1,000 denier nylon throughout the exterior. With Entity, that was a line of products that didn't have any moly on it, so you can see part of that coming through, this discreet look, no moly on the exterior. So a lot of the features like this expandable bottle holder, this was designed as part of advanced gear research, so now you're seeing that show up. So, you know, all this stuff with this tote, it folds up in the manner of the roly-poly. So that's also from one of our earliest products. So what you're looking here is really a culmination of all of our experiences, all the things we did right, brought together, and all the things that we did wrong sort of weeded out. And this is sort of the essence of where we are at this point, 17 SHOT Shows later. You know, we're always exploring new things, like with this line, the new TT series. We're exploring bushcraft and outdoors. You know, we're expanding into more some lifestyle stuff where it may not have a tactical or concealed carry application, but it's very practical in daily life, and we're still using all the extremely tough materials and construction techniques. So it's everything's coming together. We still make all the other lines I just mentioned. We still have all those products, but you know, all this stuff is just coming together and building up our experience and our design methodology. So as always, we're really appreciative of all of our customers and, you know, all the feedback that you've given us over the last 17 years. That has helped build this line, this Maxpedition brand, and this Maxpedition line of products to, you know, where it is now. So we're deeply appreciative. You know, as we evolve, and we're always evolving, you can always find out the latest information on our website. That's maxpedition.com. Thank you so much.
If you like this video and want to support us, please check out the MIL-SPEC Monkey Store. Although known for morale patches, we also specialize in a good selection of DIY hardware and tactical accessories.